Your bathroom cabinet is probably a graveyard of half-used razors and sticky wax strips that never quite did the job. We have all seen those flashy ads popping up on our social media feeds lately. They show a sleek handheld device that promises to zap your hair away forever. You can do it while sitting on your couch watching TV. The name Tampera is everywhere right now. It looks like a magic wand for smooth skin. We need to take a big step back and look at the actual science here. This gadget uses what people call light pulse technology. It aims to hit the hair follicle right at the root with a sudden burst of energy. The goal is simple. You want to weaken that root so the hair stops coming back so fast. This is the same basic principle used in those high-end clinics. Those places charge you hundreds of dollars for a single session. But there is a massive catch that the marketing usually glosses over. A professional machine in a medical office is a heavy-duty piece of equipment. Those machines pack a serious punch. A small handheld device just cannot match that power level safely. When you bring that technology into your home, the intensity has to be dialed way down. This is for your own safety. You do not want to accidentally burn your skin while trying to get ready for the beach. But lower power means your results are going to be a lot slower than a clinic. The ads make it look like you just swipe it once and you are done. That is just not how human biology works. Your hair grows in distinct cycles. Some of it is growing while other hairs are resting. To catch every single hair, you have to be incredibly consistent. You have to use it over several months. This is a long game. It is not a quick fix for the weekend. I have looked through dozens of stories from people who have actually used these types of devices. The feedback is all over the place. Some people absolutely swear by them. They say their leg hair is much thinner now. They barely have to shave anymore. Then you have the other side of the coin. Plenty of users feel like they wasted their hard-earned money. They did not see any change in 2 weeks and gave up. This is where the marketing sets people up for huge disappointment. It is not exactly a scam in the sense that the technology is fake. The light does exactly what light is supposed to do, but it is definitely not a miracle in a box. You cannot expect professional results from a gadget that fits in your palm. You also have to think about your specific skin tone and hair color. These light-based devices usually work best when there is a high contrast. If you have very light hair or very dark skin, the technology often struggles. It cannot tell the difference between the hair and the surface of your skin. This can lead to ineffective sessions or even painful irritation. The website for this specific brand claims it is great for sensitive areas. That might be true for some people, but you still have to be very careful. Always do a small patch test first. At-home devices are legally and technically required to be less powerful. Professional clinics use cooling gels and high-powered lasers that require a license to operate. You are trading that power for the convenience of your bathroom. That trade-off means you might need 12 sessions to see what a professional can do in 3. Some users report that after weeks of consistency, their hair grows back like peach fuzz. That is a win for many. If your hair is naturally coarse or very light, these pulses of light might not even register. It is also worth noting that these devices can be a bit tedious to use. You have to hit every single spot. If you miss a patch, you will see it a week later. It requires a steady hand and a lot of free time. Real beauty routines take time. They take a lot of effort. Check the return policy before you click buy. Make sure you know what you are getting into. It is your money and your skin on the line. Being an informed consumer is the only way to win. Stay skeptical and stay smart.